Hello friends, in this video you will learn what is uses of should have plus noun and should have plus verb third form. So let's start the discussion of should have. Should have can be used in two ways. First, should have plus noun, and second, should have plus verb third form. So first of all, I'm going to discuss about should have plus noun. Should have plus noun can be used to show availability of the present. Let me show you some example. You should have a mobile. In this sentence, I use should have to show availability. For example, mobile should be available with you. And let me show you my second example. She should have books. In this sentence, I use should have to show availability. For example, books should be available with her. And let me show you my third examples. We should have money. In this sentence, I used should have to show availability. For example, money should be available with us. So I hope you have understood about should have plus noun. And let me show you my second word, should have plus verb third form. Should have plus verb third form can be used to show action or regretness of the past, which you have done or have not done. And for more clarity, I'm going to show you a few examples. We should have gone there. In this sentence, I used should have plus verb third form to show regretness of the past. For example, we were the 5 friends and one friend from them who invited us for dinner. And we did not go for dinner. And after a day, we were regretting and we were thinking we should have gone there for dinner. And let me show you my second example. You should have met me last week. This sentence is also showing regretness of the past, which he should have done. For example, I had a friend and he was to go to America for study. And he wanted to meet me, but unfortunately he did not meet me. And after his arrival in America, he was regretting and he was thinking he should have met me last week. And let me show you my third example. I should have called him yesterday. And this sentence is also showing action of the past, which should have I done. For example, I had a friend, he was to go to America for study, and I wanted to call him, but unfortunately, I did not call him. And after his arrival in America, I was regretting, and I was thinking I should have called him last day. So now I hope you have understood about both of words. If you think it was helpful for you, please like and comment on my video. And if you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and stay here.